Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited to show you how I used a ton of brand new Tarte products for the first time today to create this look for you. This look is really geared towards aging mature skin or normal to dry skin types that are looking for that perfect flawless foundation that keeps your skin hydrated, dewy, and glowy all day long. We're saying goodbye to cakiness, to creasing, to any type of uneven texture. I really found the perfect products that are going to make your skin look beautiful all day long. So I'm excited to show you how I use those and what my application process is as well. This is going to be a very flirtatious, romantic, fun eyeshadow look, and I think it's going to be fun to explore with this palette because I love this eyeshadow palette. There are so many colors here. So as you can see, I'm inspired by the terracotta and the lavender here in this palette, and of course there are some nice shimmery golds as well. First, I am going to prime my eyeshadow lid with the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blending sponge. So the first color from the palette that I'm going to apply with this stiff shader is going to be this one right here, Innocent. And I'm going to work this one over my crease. What I love about the Tarte palettes is how well the color picks up on the brush. It's very pigmented and it also applies really well. I'm then going to take the Crease Blend M83 and blend that color out. Now that I have that transition shade, I'm going to take the same Crease Blend brush and I'm going to move on to the Whimsy shade, which is that nice terracotta color, and I'm going to apply this right above the crease. The key to applying eyeshadow is really layering and adding. So you just want to take a little bit of product and just keep adding where you need. It's always easy to add, way easier than trying to take it away. I'm now going to take the stiff shader M57 and I'm going to apply this beautiful lavender no filter. And I'm going to start at the outer corners of my lid. going to take this shade, I'm going to take the shade Classic and go right under my brow. I am now going to take the shade right here, Minx, which is a nice rose gold violet, and I'm going to pack this on the center of my lid. Just right up into my crease. I'm going to complete the eye and bring that together by taking a Soften and Smudge, and I'm going to take that nice Whimsy Terracotta shade, and I'm going to go underneath the eye. Now for today's liner, I want to actually use from the palette the beautiful shade right here that I put on the lid, No Filter. And I want to line my upper lashes with the same Soften and Smudge brush. And I'm going to take that all the way into the inner corner of my eye. For mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. And for lips, I'm going to go with Nude Whisper by Maybelline. And I used Peach Buff 540, which is the matte. And I just threw on some lashes, and this is the final and completed look. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned a thing or two in this video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. Also, thank you for hitting that notification bell so that you know when the videos are brand new and released on my channel. Thank you again so much for your support, and have a beautiful day.
Think about you.